How's it going, YouTube? Today we are working on a Ford Maverick. We're going to be taking the front door panel off. All you should need is a couple of plastic pry bars, a pick, a size 7 socket, and a size 8 socket. First, we'll go ahead and remove our covers. You're going to have one up here at the very top. Just kind of wiggle your plastic pry bar in there. And there should be a couple of clips on the bottom. So you're going to have two on the bottom, one up top. Then you're going to have a cover behind the door handle. So grab your pick. I get lucky sometimes and just kind of, if you're able to make some room with the pick at the very front, you just jam your pick in there. Sometimes you can turn it and it'll pop free, kind of like so. But it has to come out towards the truck because you have these two little clips on the back side. So when you go to reinstall it, you'll kind of put it back in like so, pop it in, because you have the clips on the front, little channel things on the back. And then you're going to have a cover or a reflector down here on the side of the door. I'll go ahead and pop that off. The hardest part of this door panel is actually popping this window switch. So that's why I was saying you might need two plastic pry bars. I like to come in from the back side and kind of make a little gap and kind of twist it. And if it doesn't pop that way, sometimes you have to come in from the front side with your other plastic pry bar. Just kind of get it started, just like so. And once you have it actually popped, you can kind of just get the rest of the way. I'll go ahead and unplug this and show you guys what we're working with. Alright, so it's just two clips for the wiring harness, but the actual push pins, there's two of them, or I guess there's four of them, I'm sorry. There's two on the back side and then two on the front side. But once again, this will kind of slide towards the cab with this. So I guess what I'm getting at is when you're popping this free, don't pop from this side because you'll break this little channel piece. So pop from the back side, pop the four clips, and then kind of pull backwards. That way you can release this little channel piece. Alright, now we can go ahead and remove all of our screws. The only 8 you'll have is the one behind the door handle. You're going to have 2 7s behind that window switch. You're going to have one where the reflector was. And then you're going to have 2 on the bottom of the door. Alright, now that we have all of our screws removed, once again you're going to have 2 on the bottom of the door, 1 behind the reflector, 2 in the window switch, and then that one size 8 behind the door handle. So once you have all those screws removed, now you can grab your plastic pry bar, kind of make you a gap on the bottom. Work your edges. And once you have the bottom undone and the sides undone, just wiggle up. And there you have it. So that is how you remove the door panel on a Ford Maverick. Thanks for watching.